Hatzi. It's day 17 of the 180-day challenge. And today, guys, I was going to do some research. But as I was doing the research, I found shirts and pants and all this stuff that was highly priced. And I just wanted to get to know what you guys would like the shirts and everything to be priced. So on Instagram, I put out all these questions and polls for you to answer. So let's hop into it today.
Question number 1 was, how much would you pay for a hoodie? Thomas Graham said $95 to $100, but for the quality of Hatzi gear, not other brands that make faulty clothes. This is great. William Andrickson said, two zombie chews for some Hatzi clothes. That's madness. Ivan McNamara said $20 to $35. That's a bit too cheap, I reckon. It's a bit too cheap. Caitlin Hatz said $30. $30 for a jumper is pretty decent. I have to agree with that one. So subscribe, like, turn on bell notifications, tell your friends, family, and even this guy. FT Train 17 said, I feel like 60 is the highest I'd go. That is very true. I agree with 60. It's Vicky Chaudhry said $8 to $9. What? $8 to $9 for Hatzi clothes? That's a bit cheap for a jumper. Callum Crawford said 60 to 100. That's more of the expensive side if Hatzi had really good quality. Jake Starr said $40 to $60, depends on the quality. Yeah, it's all about the quality. So I want to start off with cheaper than more expensive. Fox Baron Savage said $60. I reckon $60 is a reasonable price to pay for a good quality jumper. Declan Hat said, good one, 50 to 60. Yeah, I agree with this 50 to 60. It keeps coming up. $2? Adriel Goliver, $2. What the hell? $2? That's mad. Nick Norbury said $40. $40 is pretty good for a lower quality jumper. The next question was, how much would you pay for a t-shirt? Maddie Jade Crosby said $15. $15 is very reasonable for a t-shirt, and I have to definitely agree with that one right there. Callum Crawford said $30 to $50. $30 to $50 for a t-shirt. It would have to be a really high-end t-shirt to be that much. Jake Starr said $20. I have to say $20 is probably the best price for a Hatzi t-shirt at the moment until I find the best supplier. Question number 3 was, how much would you pay for a long sleeve t-shirt? Caitlin Hatz said $20. $20 is pretty good for a long sleeve t-shirt. I would say about $25 because you got the added extra of the long arms. Jake Starr also said $20, so I'm seeing a pattern here with $20. So $20 seems pretty good. Seems like people wouldn't want to pay any more than $20 for a long sleeve jumper. Callum Crawford said $50 to $70. See, that is really expensive, and then I had good materials, then I could charge that too. Question number 4. How much would you pay for sweatpants? Callum Crawford said $70 to $90. If the sweatpants were $70 to $90, they'd have to be extremely warm and may have the best quality ever, guys. Be that much. Next, I said $15 to $20. If I made these $15 to $20, the material would have to be on the not so good side. And I don't know what this has to do with clothing, guys, but how is free Nigerian princess? How can you even sell these people for clothes? It doesn't make sense.
Thank you, Team Hatzi, for answering all those questions. If you want more videos like this where I review all your comments, please comment down below more Hatzi's daily questions. So thank you for watching this video. Watch more videos on my channel if you would like to. And remember, guys, to be your best.